Dinnertime. Written by Ann Weld. Illustrated by Kerry Argent. Six fat rabbits doing what they please. Don't see the fox sneak out of the trees. Run, fat rabbit, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time. Five fat rabbits climbing up to play. Don't see the fox hiding in a hay. Run, fat rabbit, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time. Four fat rabbits leaping all around. Don't see the fox jump up from the ground. Run, fat rabbit, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time. Three fat rabbits away from their burrow. Don't see the fox spring up from a furrow. Run, fat rabbit, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time. Two fat rabbits playing hide and seek. Don't see the fox pretending he's asleep. Run, fat rabbit, run, 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 or that fox will eat you one by one. Dinner time. One fat rabbit all on its own, out in the dark, a long way from home. Run, fat rabbit, run, 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 or that fox will eat you later on. Dinner time. Quick, little rabbit, don't be slow. Get down with the others, safe below. Dinner time. Six fat rabbits eating cabbage rolls. Listen as their mother scores.
How many times do I have to say? When it's dinner time, come straight away.
Good night, six fat rabbits. Bye bye, poor fox. See you.